Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a common problem with the 2007 to 2012, maybe even higher, JK Wranglers. When you're fueling up like I'm doing now, and as it gets full, the pump shuts off and it spills out all over the vehicle. I'm going to explain to you what that is and how to fix it. It's supposed to be from 2007 to 2008. There was not a recall, but a TSB on them that they would fix them for free. But a lot of people are having them even in the 2011, 2012 cars. What I'm talking about is when you go to fill up the car, when it's full, you know, the pump shuts off, but then you get all the gas goes all over the place. It comes out of the filler neck and gets all over the place. You're watching the video, you probably know what I'm talking about. And the reason for that is inside the gas tank, there's a check valve. Now, when you fill it up, that check valve is supposed to close. And then this is the vent that, it just vents to atmosphere. And that's it. Now, what happens is that vent deteriorates because of the ethanol in the gasoline. And what the dealers were doing in the beginning, when these cars came out in 2007, 2008, and it started getting to complaints, they started replacing the gas tank. And of course, that's costly for the dealership. So they came up and they made this thing, which replaces this vent. And this has a check ball. So now that the one that's in the tank is bad, now you have a new one. And this is easy, a lot easier to replace. It's just 2 clamps, 10 minutes, and it's done. I'll show you where this is located underneath the vehicle. And the part number for this, if you can see it right there, CNNNX321AC. Okay, and you get that part, you can get it online. Dealership is going to probably give you a problem with that. They're saying that you're not covered, and they don't really sell these very easily. So, but you can get them on the internet. And like I said, it's easy to replace. And so when you're filling up the fuel tank, this connects to the fuel tank right here. So when it's full, it'll come and stop right here, and then your neck will shut off the way it's supposed to, and not just bypass. See, this is basically just a tube. There's nothing in there. This one has the check valve. You can probably even hear it. It has a little check valve. So when the gas is rushing up, that valve will stop and shut. And then when the gas goes back in the tank, it goes back down again, and the vent is clear again. So I'll show you how to replace this. It's not that hard. Here we go. This is the edge. That's towards the back of the car. This is the rear end right here. This is the axle right here. And it's right there. Okay? You're going to see that's the gas. This is the gas tank right here. This is a plastic nozzle, so just be careful when you're prying to get the old hose off. You don't crack it, but you just tighten that clamp over there. And you got one right over there. You tighten them nice and tight, and that's it. And you just put it in. It's just 2 clamps. And put a zip tie. There's like a little, see this little plastic thing right here? Put a zip tie there. If yours doesn't have it, and you're good to go. And that's it. You're not going to have no more problems when you fill up. The pump should shut off and no fuel to spill out. I'm not going to test it right now, but I know it works. I mean, it's not rocket science. There was no valve. Now there's a valve. All right, guys. Motorcarnut 2020. See you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Any questions, I'll get to you as soon as I can. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.